friends. Today we are going to learn how to use the sum product formula in Excel. This function multiplies range of cells or arrays and returns the sum of products. It first multiplies then adds the values of the input arrays. It is a very resourceful function which can be used in many ways depending on the requirement of the user. In this video, we are going to learn the basic use of this formula. Let's understand how the SUMPRODUCT function works. Suppose we have two arrays with values. If we use SUMPRODUCT function on these two arrays, the formula will look like SUMPRODUCT, first array and then second array. The output upon entering this formula in a cell will be 70. Let us understand the math behind this result. The SUMPRODUCT function calculates the product as 1 is multiplied with 5, 2 is multiplied with 6, 3 is multiplied with 7 and 4 is multiplied with 8. Now let's move to Excel to see use of this formula. We have 8 fruits with their quantity and price. Let's assume we need to calculate amount required for all these fruits. With traditional way, we can multiply each fruit's quantity and price and then take sum to calculate the total amount. With SUMPRODUCT, we can take the range of quantity and price to get the amount. Now, to be a master using SUMPRODUCT, you need to know some rules. The minimum number of arrays is 1. In this case, a SUMPRODUCT formula simply adds up all of the array elements and returns the sum. The maximum number of arrays is 255 in Excel 2016, Excel 2013, Excel 2010, and Excel 2007, and 30 in earlier Excel versions. All arrays in a SUMPRODUCT formula must have the same number of rows and columns, otherwise you get the error. If any array argument contains non-numeric values, they will be treated as zeros.